Creating a Jira board is essential for visualizing and managing your project's workflow. Here's how to create one. Log into Jira. Access your Jira instance and log in with the appropriate permissions to create and configure boards. Navigate to the Board section. Click on the Boards menu in the top navigation bar. If you're using Jira Cloud, you might find this under Projects or in the Boards drop-down menu. Create a new board. Click on the Create Board button. You will have two main options. Scrum Board, for teams using Scrum methodology, focusing on sprints and backlog management. Kanban Board, for continuous delivery, visualizing work in progress and managing flow. Select board type. Choose Create a Scrum Board or Create a Kanban Board based on your methodology. Configure Board, for Scrum boards. Select Create a Scrum Board and choose from an existing project or from an existing filter to associate the board with a specific project or filter. For Kanban boards, choose Create a Kanban Board and similarly select the project or filter to associate it with the board. Set up board details. Name your board, select the relevant project or filter, and configure settings such as columns, swim lanes, and card layout. Customize board. After creation, go to board settings to adjust columns, add swim lanes, set up card layouts, and configure other board preferences. Save and use. Save your settings and start using the board to manage and visualize your project's issues.